Focus? Yeah. Right, hello everyone, my name's Jacob Dawson. Now, you probably know that one student who managed to get a job straight out of university. Now there's several ways you can do that, but one of the easiest ways to do that is to attend this event which I'm going to right now. It is called Employability Matters. Now it is a week-long free event where basically AUT bring in all sorts of different employers from all sorts of different areas for you to network to and talk to and maybe even get your first job from. It's basically like networking, going out into the workplace, but the workplace comes to you. It literally could not be easier. Say I was a hospitality student and I wanted to work with Juicy. What would the process look like, and then if I did get in, what would the job look like?
So the process, you just need to apply on our website. You can come visit us at our headquarters just down the road. We look for people who have heaps of personality. We live for our values: fun, family, pride, and passion. So experience isn't too much of a necessity because we can always train you on that. It's your personality that is extremely important.
So to work at Disney Cruise Line, there's a couple of things you need to do. Firstly, you need to be 21 years of age. You need to have 2 years relevant experience in the position you're working for. So if you wanted to work as a waiter, we'd need 2 years experience working a food and beverage role.
And where does the cruise go?
So we, head office is Orlando, Florida.
Yeah.
We predominantly do East and Western Caribbean.
Yeah.
And we do Alaska, Mediterranean, East and West coast of the US, and also speciality cruises as well.
Oh, yeah.
But wait, guess what else we have?
What else do you have?
A private island.
You serious?
Yeah, serious.
Wait, where?
In the Bahamas.
Why did you join up? Why did you join Greenpeace?
Oh man, it's been this long journey. I've been dreaming about Greenpeace for a very long time. My background is I have a master's in organizational psychology, and I am specialized in non-profits, and Greenpeace is just basically the most awesome organization to work for because it doesn't take any government or corporate money. We're only funded by small private donors, which gives you this liberty, this amazing independence to actually really step on people's toes and do some really awesome. So yeah, I get to work with the most inspiring badasses out there. It's really, really cool.
Alright, so there you have it. So, if getting a job straight out of uni is your kind of jam, and let's face it people, it should be your kind of jam even if it's not your kind of jam, you should definitely attend this event. And even if you're still studying, and you're not going to be graduating in a year, definitely come along because heck, you might be able to score your dream internship or even volunteer somewhere meaningful over the summer. And even if that's not your thing to do, and you just want to come along and check out what the industry is like and talk to employers, you can do that. So seriously, it's a win-win. With all those benefits in mind, you should definitely attend. Anyway, see you later.